Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add multiple links in Instagram bio. If you are using Instagram and you want to add multiple links to your Instagram bio, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app here and then tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and here just select edit profile option, and here you just have to select bio option or the links option here, and you have to try to add different links. So you can see I have already added two links. Now I'm going to add one more. Just I'm on this add external link option, and here you have to paste your copied link, and here you have to enter the title. So let's say I'm going to select anyone from here. For example, I have added this option. Once I've added, I'm done, and your link will be added. So in this way, you can easily add multiple links and your Instagram account's bio. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.